Hi Ashmaari's, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making this amazing clove water treatment to help jumpstart your newfound hair growth. So if you're suffering from health issues that makes it difficult to grow your hair, if you have alopecia or just have inflammation from possible buildup, this is the treatment for you. On this channel, I make videos about healing, lifestyle, and natural beauty. So if you like today's video, like, comment, and subscribe, and keep on watching. First off, the star of the show. Did you guys know that cloves is originally from an aromatic flower on trees in Indonesia? Yep, this herb is amazing. Cloves stimulates hair growth due to its ability to boost blood circulation to your scalp. It also has various nutrients such as vitamins A, C, calcium, and iron. Now, in addition, cloves has antimicrobial, antiseptic, and antifungal properties, which means, Ashmaari's, it detoxifies your scalp and help eradicate some scalp conditions, okay? And we're talking about dandruff, alopecia, thinning, shedding, breakage, you name it. This herb is amazing. I am using 2 tablespoons of cloves and 2 cups of distilled water. Please make sure, Ashmaari's, to use distilled water to avoid any other microbes growing on your scalp, especially if you guys are already dealing with scalp issues. I then boil the cloves for at least 10 to 15 minutes and set aside to cool down. Now that usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes as well. Now after I cool it down, I then strain the clove water into my spray bottle. Now Ashmaari's, continue on watching this video because this isn't just clove water. I have added some extra ingredients to help accelerate your hair growth and can help with dryness from the cloves. Next, to add some moisture into this clove water and to prevent any drying from cloves, I first use vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is a really good humectant because it draws moisture from outside elements. Second, I use Jamaican black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil helps to promote hair growth. It moisturizes your dry hair, strengthening your thinning hair, preventing hair breakage, heal, and prevent split ends. Grapeseed oil has vitamin E. It adds shine. It hydrates your hair by penetrating each and every strand of your hair. It smooths split ends, tames flyaways, and guards against UV damage. Now some essential oils for some acceleration hair growth, mainly because of vitamin C. First, I added grapefruit essential oil. It has an abundance of vitamin C and it is rich in antioxidants. It is antiviral, antimicrobial, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory. Now, for the orange essential oil, it provides deep nourishment to your hair follicles, making them thick and strong. It also moisturizes your hair shaft and prevents it from turning rough, dull, and brittle. And I know we all need a little bit of that. Now, the last ingredient is clove essential oils, mainly to boost the effects of which the cloves already provides, making this treatment more potent. After I added all of my ingredients, I gave it a really good shake and now it's ready for use. This spray is good for about a week in the fridge. There will be microbes now, so if you made more than this, please freeze the rest for later use. I usually spray all of my teas directly onto my scalp rather than my hair strands. Some people do complain of their hair breaking or feeling stiff from cloves, but it is mainly because you're not putting on a leave-in conditioner followed by a sealant or by using any one of these methods, the LCO method or the LOC method, whichever method that your hair absolutely love to maintain moisture throughout the week. Now spray this onto your scalp 2 to 3 times a week. Now Ashmaari's, just a little tip, make sure you consume these ingredients. Make sure you consume grapefruits, oranges, and sometimes drink clove tea for great health, great immunity, and for better hair growth. Now, Ashmaari's, we're to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click and subscribe and leave a comment to keep the conversation going, and give this video a thumbs up because it does help my channel. And remember, we're on a lifestyle change journey to heal our minds, bodies, and spirits by reflecting on our past, remaining present, and focusing on our future. Until next time, Ashmaari's. Bye.